Let's take a look at this figure 14-15. And of course it deals with reactive power. And you have a power factor relationship. So let's look at that. At the top of the drawing here, you have watts, kW, actual power, and active power. To the left or the right, here, you have voltage as the VAR, kVAR, reactive power, and reactive current. The next, you have volt amps, or kVA. It's the parent power and the actual power. Now this relationship here, and you have your phase angle, that you'd have here. We're going to take this and we're going to demonstrate it with additional illustrations. And so hang in here with us and stay with us here so you'll see the application of this power factor relationship dealing with reactive type power in some cases. So we'll look at the next video.